Hello you guys and welcome back to Also Clement. This is actually now part 3 because last time I did part 1 of Malaysia and part 2 of Spain, the colony of Spain. So this is now part 3. This is in Netherlands. This is Hudson in Netherlands because I haven't known this track before. So I'm going to do the part 3 of the Hudson Netherlands. Whee! This one is the track, I know this one. It was the Netherlands, but I remember when there was the arcade game because they haven't got this game in that arcade one because I remember on the Cruis'n Exotica game that I remember that one because they had one because in 1999 and 2000 they released it in the game, which just came out in 1999-2000 for the arcade game and the Nintendo 64. So this one is the when I played the PS2 version one because the Cruis'n Exotica game came out in 1999 and 2000 on the arcade game and Nintendo 64 because many years ago the game came out because the game was in 1999 and 2000, which is on the arcade game and Nintendo 64, and because this one hasn't got in the arcade one. Okay, I'm in 8th place now. Oh, I can see there's country flags over there. Oh, careful when you're slowing down. Okay, I'm in 7th. No. Whee! Oh. So I have to slow down because there's lots of corners happening. I'm in 5th. And I'm in 4th. kidding me? Now I'm in fifth. Oh, cause that other one came fourth because I was trying to catch them all. Because that had happened last time I did a part 1 and 2, and now this is the part 3, because I keep coming in fifth. Okay, you guys, if you enjoyed that video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on part 4.